Luxury, elegance, and efficient living. Welcome to the Onyx 2630. When entering the Onyx 2630, you'll find yourself in the living area of the home. And one of my favorite parts about this space is the chalet feel you get from the large windows above the door frame here and the wooden accents around the door frames, window frames, and the ceiling. In the living space here, you'll find enough room against this wall here to place a couch or a couple chairs. On the opposite wall, you'll find space to hook up your TV and the plugs you need for that, as well as an in-wall electric heat register and the in-floor heat register for the forced air propane furnace. As you take your first couple steps into the home, you'll find your way to more of the dining and the kitchen area of the home. In this space in front of me here, what you can do is put a bar tabletop just in front of these windows, which ends up being a really nice setup because you do have these 3 windows that bring in natural light, and they all open and will be able to give you a nice breeze throughout the home. The kitchen in the Onyx 2630 is definitely one of the best places to be. You'll find the kitchen is fully outfitted with stainless steel appliances. You've got a microwave above your stainless cooktop and oven here. You've got a fridge and freezer inset to the wall here on the opposite side of the kitchen. And then you also have a ton of storage space. Above the kitchen countertops, you've got lots of overhead cabinetry. And again, below the kitchen countertop, you've got lots of lower cabinetry. And if that wasn't enough storage space, just across from the stovetop here, you also get cabinetry on the bottom, on the top, and then you even get extra counter space here with plugins mounted on the wall above. One of my favorite parts about the kitchen are the color tones used in this space. You've got white upper cabinets that contrast really well with the darker lower cabinets. And then to break up that contrast, you also have nice warm wood tones on the countertops here. And speaking of countertops, you've got tons of prep space on either side of the kitchen sink, next to the stovetop area. And as I mentioned before, you get that bonus countertop right here to my left. Moving past the kitchen and entering the very front of the home here, you'll find the bathroom. And in this space, you'll find a residential flush toilet off to my right-hand side here, a nice frosted window pane above it that lets in some of that natural light. You've got a vanity with storage next to the toilet here. Across from the vanity here, you get a glass enclosed walk-in shower. And then finally, just next to that shower, you get a 2-in-1 washer dryer combo unit with a countertop and the potential for storage space above it. Last but not least, as I'm sure you already know, this home has a loft, and you get to that loft by use of this ladder here. Up here in the loft, you'll find enough room for either a king or a queen size bed. What I really like about this loft is we've built in a skylight up here. So in addition to the 2 windows on the opposing walls next to me, you also get this skylight here that helps bring in more natural light, and it's screened off and will open in case you want to open it and have a breeze flow through this space. In this loft space, you'll also find multiple outlets where you can plug in your electronics, and right in front of me here, you've got 8 individual cubbies where you can store all of your clothing. This home is currently available for immediate sale and is listed at 156,150 Canadian dollars or approximately 115,000 US dollars using today's exchange rate. If you or someone you know is looking for more information on this home, I'll be sure to leave the floor plan layout on screen for you here. Otherwise, all additional details you'll need are in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. To view our available inventory and to learn more about how we can build your dream tiny home, visit us online and book a consultation call today.